In this video, I will show you how to make a beautiful basket design. Now, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Now, I have my pattern paper as the base of the basket. Then I'll cut out my half length, the upper side that I want to use for it. I will draft it out with my pattern paper. Then I'll be using these pieces of fabrics. I cut 1.5 inches each. I'll be folding it like so in a bias form. I'll fold it in a bias form. That's what I will use and sew on this pattern paper. So guys, the next thing you do, go ahead and draft out your basic body with your pattern paper, exactly where you want the basket design to be. So I've already drafted a basic body where I will be placing the basket. So the next thing I'll do is to mark the lines where I'll place the fabric. Now I'm using the length of this ruler. I will just be marking exactly the width of this ruler. In each of them, I'll just go ahead and mark using the width of my ruler, depending on how close or how open you want it. If you want it to be tiny, you can go ahead and use, like this ruler is 1/4 inches. This is 1/4. If you want it to be smaller, you can go ahead and make it either 1 inch, half inch, depending on how close you want it. But if you want it to be open as well, you can go ahead and increase the size. Now I've crossed it, I've put a line. The next thing I'll do is to cross it in the other way around. I'll place it this way. I started with this edge, so to cross it, I will start from this side. So guys, I've placed all the mark, I've made a line and I cross it. You can see the basket shape. So this will be the base of the design. I'll keep it aside. The next thing is to sew it. I'll fold it in a bias form and top stitch. You can go ahead and top stitch like so. To have a long rope, you can see. If you don't want to do it, you can still sew through it like so. You just fold it in a bias form, then you place it at the line. Make sure you place it at the line. The tip rhyme with the line as well. Just push it up like small, just 1 inch there is okay. Now this is my pattern paper, which is the base of the basket. So I'll be folding my fabric in a bias form. You can see I folded it this way. From the place I folded in, I'll place it on the line. If it's not easy for you to do it like this, you can go ahead and iron it. And see, by the time I fold it in a bias form, I'll place it on the line. So I'll be following the lines to sew through it. And see, I've sewn this one. I'll continue sewing it straight until I do the crossing side. Always watch the front and the back side of your fabric to avoid sewing the wrong side. You must make sure you sew from the right side. Now I'm through with this line. I'll turn it to the other side. I'll turn it like so and sew through the line as well. So guys, I've actually sewn all the parts. Is now the neckline. So I'll fold it to trim off the neckline first. After trimming it, I will still place my fabric like so and sew through the neckline. But this time I will put it up like so. You can see I use my iron to iron it. So I'll go ahead and place it. You can see I've sewn all the lines and I've achieved a bit. So you can see I've sewn through the lines and I've achieved the basket design that I'm looking for. So I'll fold it into two like so and trim off these edges, these rough edges. You can see I've trimmed off the rough edges. The next thing will be to remove the paper that I use. So I will gently remove it. You can see. Now I'm through. You can see how it looks. This is the front While this is the back, I'll still remove it completely. Make sure that all the papers are completely removed. So guys, I hope this video is helpful. Make sure you try it out. How do you feel about this design? Drop your comment at the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friends. Keep watching for more design. Bye until I see my next video.